So let's look at the angle properties with circles. So this is what we call an inscribed angle, and it's 1/2 of the arc it intercepts. It's 1/2 of this arc. Well, what do you know is the total of a circle? Total in a circle equals 360. So if this is 115 and this is 110, that means I've got 225 degrees here. So that would make this arc 360 minus 225. And I don't want to think today, is 135. So this is 135 degrees, so that'd be 250, okay. So this angle is half of 135, so you take 135 and divide it by 2. And I believe you get, oops, not 77, I can't count today, so 67.5 degrees. So x is 67.5 degrees. That is exactly half of 135. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Vertical angles is equal to the average of the two arcs. So if I'm looking for this one, I'm going to pair it up with its vertical buddy. That means this one intercepts this arc, this one intercepts this arc. So I'm going to do 76 plus 72, the two intercepted arcs, and divide it by 2. I get 148 divided by 2, which is 74 degrees. So that means that x is 74 degrees. That also means that this angle would be 74. Both of them are 74. When you have, it's not in the center, it's the average of the two arcs. Okay, let's look at the next one. We're almost done. So on this one, if the angle is outside the circle, it's the difference of the two arcs divided by 2. So I've got an arc of 90 and an arc of 20, and my angle's here. So I'm going to do 90 minus 20 divided by 2, which is 70 divided by 2, which is 35 degrees. So that's 35. Okay? It's the difference divided by 2. That's if it's outside the circle. And the last one here is another example. This is where it's outside. So it's going to be the difference of the two arcs, that arc and that arc, divided by 2. Now, this arc is 150, and this arc here is 60, divided by 2. So I've got 90 divided by 2, so x is 45 degrees.
Mommy, can we plant these in our garden?
Sure, honey.